Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to create a text around a circle text, something like this. So that it can appear much more professional. You can see the bottom one, it's quite readable, unlike before when you can have it upside down. It's quite difficult to read. So for this case we'll start by writing 2 lines of a text. So let's say we want to put in Epic Mentorship, and then we have another line, glaring your ideas. So have it in 2 lines separated. Okay, so to start with, you just select the first line, and then you can come to insert over here. You come to word art, and you select any type of word art that you want. Let's say we go with this. So you put in any kind of word art you want. You can change the word art style here if you want, but for this we'll go with this for this example. And over here you come to size. Okay, you make sure the vertical and horizontal size are the same. So let's say we go with 10 cm here horizontal, and at the vertical also we'll go with 10 cm. Okay, so the next thing is you select the text. You can come to text effect, because by highlighting you can see the format menu or the format tab already highlighted. So you can come over to text effects. Down here you come to the transform over here, and you can just select that one, and you can see it has started giving us the curve. Right, so the next is we come to the second line, we select it, we highlight it, right, and we do the same that we did for the first one. So you come to insert, you come to word art, and you put the same thing. Probably you can drag it down a little bit. Okay, so you do the same. You can come to this and make the vertical 10 cm and make the horizontal 10 cm as well. So you come to the text align, text effect, you come to transform, and you come to the vertical one, and you can see it very glaringly. So let's come to align and align it to the center, and you can come to this one as well and align it to the center. So you can see now both cases are aligned at the center. So you can just drag this one closer, and you can bring this one also a little bit down, and it looks perfect. Okay, so Epic Mentorship, glaring your ideas. If you like, you can put some logo down here or there about to make it much more professional. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, this is how to create the text around a circle or something like this. If you enjoyed this video or you find it useful in any way, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.